you've got a business, you need a website, but do you go with a template or build something totally custom? Let's break it down so you don't waste time and money. I'm out. I've built over 100 websites for a small, medium, and enterprise business, from fast no-code templates to custom builds with complex logics. This is the framework that I use with my clients when they need to select an option. Number 1. Budget. Templates are the most affordable way to launch. Some are even free. Our premium templates app list cost around $100. But if you're looking something custom around your brand, your business model, and specific needs, expect to invest $10K or more. 2. Timeline. Template can go live in one day or few days. Custom sites, you are probably looking to 4 to 6 weeks minimum. If you're launching fast, a good template lets you move without sacrificing too much. 3. Features. If you're offering standard services, a great template has you covered. If you're building out advanced forms, dashboard, booking logic, or gated content, templates will hit limits. Custom sites shine when you need flexibility. 4. Branding. Templates can look great, but if you're not a designer, so probably you will need to use the designer of the template. Custom gives you full creative control. Fonts, layout, tone, you can create something unique. And if standing out is part of your marketing strategy, that's matter. 5. Maintenance. Most templates are built with no-code platforms like Webflow or Framework, so you can edit everything yourself, no dev needed. Custom websites might require technical support, even if they were built on Webflow or Framework. 6. One of the biggest myths I hear is templates are low quality. Let's be real. A really well-built template built on Webflow or Framework can outperform custom sites. It is not about the tool, it is how well is it used. 7, and my favorite, hybrid option. And that's actually what we offer on Tenlist. We create premium design templates, then offer customization starting at $2K for now. So you get a really good customization with font, layout, color, content updates, and new pages if needed, without that $10K cost or the timeline. We can help you to launch a custom website in 4 or 5 days. If you want to explore our ready-to-launch templates, go to templist.com, or you can book a customization package. Links below. And if you want weekly guides, hit the subscribe button.